In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change uppercase to lowercase in PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a presentation and notice that your text is in an all caps format, or you've inherited slides with unwanted capitalization, this quick tutorial will help you convert it all to lowercase with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the PowerPoint website. This is the online version of PowerPoint that allows you to edit presentations directly in your browser without needing the desktop app. Once you've reached the website, you'll want to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, it's straightforward to create. Follow the on-screen instructions to get set up. Signing in will take you to the PowerPoint homepage. Now you'll be able to see your recent presentations, or you can browse OneDrive to open the presentation you want to edit. Click on the presentation to open it up. With your presentation open, navigate to the slide that contains the text you wish to change from uppercase to lowercase. Now click on the text box to highlight the text. This is an essential step as it indicates to PowerPoint that this is the text you want to work with. Once your text is selected, look at the top menu and find the font options. Here you'll see a series of settings for adjusting text appearance, such as font style, size, and more. You should spot a little button labeled More Font Options. Clicking on this expands a menu with additional tools that aren't visible initially. From the extended menu, one feature you'll find is Change Case. This is the option you're going to use to modify the capitalization of your text. After clicking on Change Case, you'll see several case options. One of them is lowercase. Clicking on lowercase instantly converts the selected text from all caps to lowercase. And just like that, your text is transformed, making it look more uniform and easier to read, depending on your presentation style requirements. Remember to save your presentation to ensure all the changes are applied and preserved for the next time you need to work on it. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to change text from uppercase to lowercase using PowerPoint on the web. This feature helps maintain the visual cohesiveness of your slides, ensuring your presentation looks professional. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.